I'm going to show you how you change your slider images in Shopify. Okay, once I clicked on Online Store and Themes, I'm going to click on this big blue button where it stays Customize. Going to click on it and I will wait. And wait. Okay, it's loading. It's nearly done. Okay, there it is. There's our great website, but we're gonna make it look much better than this. This is already good looking, but I want to change the slider images because we can make it a better website. So I will click on slideshow, and I will click on the third image, and I will click on remove content and not on remove section right over here. Not on remove section, but remove content. I removed the third image. And I'm going to click on the first image. I'll put all the files in the resources that I use. So please take a look at the resources. And I will select this one. Okay, it's looking really professional for your web shop. Nice. And now we're going to change this second slider images. And this one. And yep, that were the slider images that we use for this course. They are in the resources. I click on save and I'll visit my website soon. Let's remove this. And okay, yep, it's loading. Okay, that's looking amazing. And let's take a look at the second slide. That's looking amazing too. You can also customize it a little bit and use your own images. So feel free to customize it a little bit. And then I will see you in my next lecture.